Cape Cod, the late 80s. When I was little, our home phone number was one digit off from the local marina. People, usually tourists or seasonal people, would call our house incredibly early on Saturday and Sunday mornings during prime boating season, asking to get their boats ready and put them in the water for them. One day, my father had apparently had enough. It was like 5:15 a.m. and the phone rang multiple times. Whoever it was got our machine and kept calling back. Apparently, they didn't pay attention to our machine's message. The next time the phone rang, like the fifth call in 15 minutes, my dad picked it up and said, "Blah, blah, blah, Marina, how can I help you?" The guy on the other end of the phone started complaining about how he couldn't get through. He's super important and needs his big boat all set for today, etc. Dad interrupted him and said, "Didn't you hear about the fire?" "What fire?" "Big fire last night. Everything's torched. Hardly anything left." The guy apparently went ballistic, started yelling about how could we let this happen. He was going to sue my dad, the marina, the town, totally unhinged. During his rant, Dad just put the receiver down and left it off the hook for the rest of the morning. Well, serves that entitled a-hole right. He was too wrapped up in his own business to pay attention to your answering machine. And our second story. I'm required to do my professional duty. A little background. I work in corporate security, I work long hours, and my shifts end at midnight. So if I unexpectedly run out of something at home, I'm sometimes forced to stop over at the 24-hour Walmart after work. Of course, I'm going to be wearing my uniform, which is actually a blazer, slacks, white shirt, and a tie, with my company name and security modestly embroidered on the breast pocket of the blazer, along with my name tag. Very professional looking. I do not resemble a mall cop or the typical security you'd see in a big box store. Now, people do sometimes mistake me for an employee at various places when I shop in uniform, but I've gotten nothing more than a "where's the bathroom" or "could you help me reach something" until this situation. So one day I realized I was almost out of dog food. There won't be enough to feed them in the morning, so I go to Walmart after work. I walk in at about 12:45 on a weekday. The place is near dessert. As I make my way to the pet food, I notice a pack of obnoxious, possibly drunk teenagers goofing around in the toy section. Typical yelling, throwing around Nerf balls, running up and down the aisles, etc. Annoying, but nothing destructive or dangerous going on, so I ignore them and go about my shopping. I've selected my giant bag of dog food, placed it in my cart, and I'm browsing the treats and toys when I feel a firm tap on my shoulder. I turn around to see a very old, very PO'd man standing there scowling at me. Me is me, OM is old man. Me. Yes. OM. Are you going to do something? Me. About what exactly? Oh, you think it's okay to let a bunch of stupid kids treat this place like a playground? Oh, I don't work here. Sorry, can't help you with that. What do you mean you don't work here? You're wearing a suit and the jacket says you're security. Since when do Walmart employees wear suits? I'm a customer and I'm shopping, see? I point to my cart. Doesn't matter, you're security. You're supposed to be trained to deal with situations like this. It's your professional duty to do something about those kids before they hurt someone. I don't work here. I'm a security officer, not a cop. I'm under no obligation to help this store with their security issues. I could actually get into legal trouble if I tried and anything went wrong. This store employs their own security. If you find kids tossing a rubber ball around so terrifying, go up front and complain to an employee, not me. He then squinted at my name tag and company name on my blazer. I'm going to get in touch with security company and let them know about this. Gorilla 1969, you should be fired. And I hope you are after this. That's wonderful. Knock yourself out, sir. And you're rude, too. I'm off the clock and offside. This is my own personal time. So enjoy the real me, old man. So to recap, security officers apparently double as stealth boy/girl scouts or ninjas or something, and must be prepared to do their duty at all times, in all situations, on any property, and for no pay. And our third story. Just because I speak Russian doesn't mean I work here. I speak Russian fluently because my whole family moved to the USA from the Soviet Union in 1991, with the exception of my maternal grandparents who moved here in 1993. But that's neither here nor there. I went to a store which sold Russian food to pick up some stuff from my grandmother. I was on the phone with her asking exactly how much of what does she want me to get her. Unbeknownst to me, there's a woman lurking behind the cucumbers, watching me like the KGB used to watch my grandfather. As soon as I get off the phone, I notice a woman older than time itself, and with enough food to feed both sides of a war,